Sure. So one of the things we've done with Service British Columbia is we've deployed cloud-based solutions that allow us to scale up rapidly, specifically around our customer support services. For that province of British Columbia, we're able to very quickly scale up and add new customer support representatives very, very quickly, whereas historically that would require a significant lead time to move up. And that actually has helped in a great way in terms of emergency response during the flood situation in the province last year. We're able to actually stand up capability very, very quickly and do outbound SMS texting to thousands of citizens within the province, and that was able to be done within a 24-hour period. And we also deploy other technologies that are cloud-based that allow our customer support representatives to basically work anywhere and be able to provide the province high-quality service in terms of the program delivery that's required. So I think one of the things that I find in a lot of the open government programs is there are snapshots of data. You know, if you go into some of these data catalogs that are available to citizens, they're 2017, 2018 snapshots of a particular set of data. And that snapshotting approach, while useful in the moment, degrades over time very quickly as people are looking for more up-to-date, more relevant information. And what I would propose is there's an opportunity as organizations collect and start processing data internally. Often that data contains sensitive information. And one approach that could be taken would be to always create a public-facing data set for every internal data asset that has that privacy, any of that private information redacted or removed, and then make that available as a data feed instead of doing snapshots of data. I think the citizen community would see that as a step in the right direction in terms of being able to access data more frequently. I think the other thing that governments could do is to showcase how data is being used outside of government and actually promote how that data is actually delivering value to communities, to the economy, and really showcase those opportunities and encourage others to start taking advantage of that data that's now been made available. So I think a lot of this kind of is grounded in digital transformation theory, if I can use that terminology. Certainly understanding the problem is a critical step, but I think the biggest differentiator is placing the citizen at the center of the improvement. I think too often we kind of get stuck in the mode of process improvement and existing process improvement and doing time series analysis and looking for ways to make existing processes more efficient. I think what we need to do is really place the citizen at the center and say, is this program or set of processes satisfying and delivering value to the citizen right out of the gate? And what that means is understanding the citizen's experience through citizen journey mapping and methodologies like that, focus groups to really understand what does the citizen want out of the program that they may not be getting today. And that's a critical first step in terms of really understanding the domain of the problem from a citizen's point of view. Once you have that information, then you can start to explore, well, what would the changes need to be put into place with the existing program to actually satisfy that citizen's expectations. So I think that's a really critical step. I think the other piece is continuous feedback, not just doing the one and done project, but creating mechanisms where citizens can continually engage and provide their feedback to further improve that program delivery over a long time frame. So, I think one of the things that we find time and time again, especially around transformation initiatives, is the critical importance of data. In the conference today, we heard a lot of speakers describing the importance of data quality, access to data, data being used for things like artificial intelligence and machine learning. And that's a very broad topic. And one of the things that we would propose is working with public sector organizations, something that we do at scale in terms of defining a data strategy and an action plan to address the elements of that data strategy so that those programs can actually deliver value to citizens.